Model description. The description of each model includes several illustrations, wheel alignment specifications, and tire pressure specifications. If information about a car is not required, you can skip it by pressing F1 Target Setup and proceed to Target Setup. Let's return to the illustration mode to examine it in detail. Wheel alignment peculiarities for a certain car model can be shown in diagrams, tables, and video clips. There's a different number of illustrations for each car model. Press F3, Next Image, to proceed to the next image. The list box on the left contains the list of all illustrations in miniature. Move back and forth along the illustration list using the left and right keys or selecting illustrations from the list. You can see wheel alignment and tire pressure specifications if necessary. The model description is finished. Proceed to setting up targets.